Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Volkswagen Golf 6. The cabin filter on this car is located underneath the glove box, so in order to get access to it there is a cover underneath the glove box that we need to remove, and then we'll have access to the cabin filter. To remove this cover, we need to remove those two plastic screws. Now that the cover is off, we have access to the cabin filter. That's the cabin filter housing right there, and that's the cabin filter cover. We need to pull the cabin filter cover to the right and need to unlock, and that's the cabin filter right there. Now we'll pull out the cabin filter and put the new one back on. Just be careful to see the airflow, which direction it is, to put it exactly the same way. And now we're going to put on the new cabin filter. Next, we're going to put the cabin filter cover back on, and then we're done with replacing the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.